Hey everybody, what is up and welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be taking a look at two amazing smart locks from a company called Hhuintell. Let's do it! Hey everybody, welcome. I'm your host Matthew. In today's episode, like I said, we're going to be looking at two amazing smart locks from a company called Hhuintell. All their links are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. But let's dive right into this with some amazing content, some amazing information, and the installation, of course. But first, hey Brad, get those bad boys out of the box. Let's get it done.
Alright, so we got the box open with the FG01 smart lock, and we've got the paperwork right on top, some foam padding, and ooh la la. Check this out. Oh man, Matt, what do you think about this?
Woo, buddy.
So we've got some cables right here. We are working micro USB with our normal USB-A. Then we've got some power wall outlets. And this lovely rubber. And the door lock mechanism. Keypad looks really nice. Clicky feeling. Oh yeah. As well, our rubber weather seals. All coming out everywhere there. Oh yeah, this is a great feeling. Not gonna be knocking that off the door real easily. And on inside, what this is, some screws. When we have our keys, also more screws for installing, and then the door striker. So that's the deadbolt. There we go, the deadbolt. And that's what you get in the box on the FG01. Now let's get to that next one. Now we've got the DX001 to check out. On top we also have our paperwork, some good foam padding, and everything we have in here. This one even has handles. Ooh, that's really nice looking. Look at that. Nice bronze look. I like that. Two of them, because you wouldn't only want one, right? Then this is also a Bluetooth, if I'm not mistaken. We have the lock mechanism. Get it out of the plastic. And this has a keypad as well as a thumbprint reader. So that is awesome. You can dial in the numbers or use the sensor. Definitely looking forward to checking that out. We also have a bag of mounting screws along with a set of keys. Here is the other side of the locking mechanism with our weather seal. Real durable. I love the bronze color. I'm really a fan of this. I like the way it looks. Then we have the door striker. We'll need that for the installation. And that is everything you get in the box with the DX001 model. Well, alright, let's get these on some doors and check them out.
So first up, we're going to be taking a look at the FG01. Now this is a Bluetooth lock. It's got a keypad door lock on it and amazing design. It is satin nickel. It's got a retro industrial look and it can pretty much match any wooden door. Now the keypad is an LED keypad, and did I mention that it's waterproof? That's right people, it's waterproof. Wouldn't you want a smart lock to be waterproof? Of course you would. It's got an ergonomic turn knob, extremely easy to use. That's just a little bit of information on this one. And the second one's gonna be the DX001. Now this is a fingerprint handle. That's right, this thing has a fingerprint reader on it. It is phenomenal. Bluetooth door lock and an oil rubbed bronze look. Now, like I said, with the fingerprint technology, it has some of the latest technology, the FPC 5.0. That means it's instant fingerprint unlocking. It's got a frosted fingerprint module surface, so it doesn't leave any fingerprints behind. We've all seen Mission Impossible and all these spy movies, right? So nobody's gonna come along with a piece of tape and steal your fingerprint. This thing has it covered. Industrial, streamlined appearance, transparent, hollow, wear-resistant buttons, and a touch feel that's amazing, just like the appearance. Now there is a smart chip in both of these locks, and they both use an app as part of the technology. Now it's because there's the Tua Smart Bluetooth chip inside of it. It's got stable performance and fast unlocking speed. Using the Tua Smart app, the interface is extremely simple and easy to understand and easy to use. For installation of both these locks, it is extremely simple. Very easy to install. There's no need for any additional holes on the door. So that's right, you should not have to cut any additional holes for this. If you have a deadbolt hole, then the deadbolt smart lock is going to fit right in that hole. If you have a normal doorknob hole, then the DX001 is going to fit right in that hole, so no need to drill extra holes or anything like that. And did I mention that it's a do-it-yourself installation plan? You pretty much just need a screwdriver. The high quality materials, it's made to be strong and durable. Don't forget, it's got the smart lock feature and a Bluetooth gateway. So that basically means that Bluetooth is extended. So you don't have to be directly up on the lock. You can literally just sync up with a gateway and set that where you need it to go. Plus, the Smart Lock Bluetooth gateway can sync with your Amazon smart speaker or your Amazon app. That's right, it's Alexa enabled. Check this out. Hey, Alexa, unlock front door. Crazy. And did I mention the DX001 has the ability to use one-time passwords? One-time password, essentially this means that it's perfect for Airbnb host. If you have random people coming over to rent your Airbnb or anything like that, you can set a one-time feature password or even like a temporary password for that person to use. And then for your next client, it's a totally different password. That way people aren't showing up trying to get in your house while someone else is there. Again, smart. And if you use the app, you'll notice that both the locks have a low battery notification, and it includes a manual key lock override. That's right, both these locks come with keys that you can use just in case that battery dies. But you know, again, you have the notification, so you should be fine. Both of them take a set of 4 AA batteries. I would recommend getting rechargeable batteries just to save you a little bit of money, but overall, very smart feature. So everybody here at Good Tech Cheap hopes that you enjoyed this video and our installation process. As I mentioned, all of the links are in the description below, so you can go get additional information on which one of these products could be perfect for you. But don't forget, Hhuintell also carries a lot of other smart products and door locks. So make sure you go check out their links in the description below, and a huge shout out to them for sponsoring this video. Thanks guys, thank you for sending this product and letting us do this unboxing for all you amazing viewers of Good Tech Cheap. I've been your host Matthew, thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comments below if you're using any kind of smart lock, and if you are, what did you like about it and what did you not like about it? All we can do is make the future better, right? So if we know the things that you're looking for, then Hhuintell's gonna know those things also. Again, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next review. Alexa, lock the door. I gotta make a video. Oh wait, I just did!